Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you this awesome embroidery kit. It comes with three embroidery kits, and they are awesome. This is my finished product of the first one, and I'm going to show you what I did.
So this kit truly is an all-in-one. It comes with the help for needle threading, scissors. It even comes with the wooden embroidery hoop. I've only embroidered once before, so this was a pretty good beginner embroidery kit. They gave really clear directions and so much string. So I actually have kids that love to lose my stuff. I had tons of leftover string by the end of this product, so I really recommend that. That's just a great option. And I had a lot of fun learning this stitch. I did this as a gift for somebody, so I was really excited about this the whole way through. And it's a 3-pack, which I also like because I'm gonna incorporate all three into a gift. But this has been such a fun project to do.
I highly recommend this kit, but that's just my point of view.